Miss Jumel Aquino. Miss Jumel Aquino.
Happy birthday, ate.
Picture.
And to be followed by Josie Balad.
Happy birthday, ate Nina. God bless you.
Okay, we have Miss Josie Balad. And to be followed by Monique Cariaso.
Nina, God bless you. Happy birthday po, ate Nina. God bless you.
Also, we have Mr. Alfred Mauricio. Also, we have Miss Lorraine Pascua Ali.
Ano ba sasabihin ko? Ay, sasalita na lang kung hindi na ako magsisimula. Ganito. Ikakat naman yan. No.
And to complete the Public Balloons participant, we have Mr. Kian Pascua or Miss Kian Pascua.
Kami ata. Iyak na yan. Diba iyak?
Okay, we have Miss Ethan or Mr. Ethan.
Iyak din.
Okay, Ethan. Also, we have Francis, Tanya, and Christian Jr.
Pag-last. Okay, pag-last. Uy, kasi naglalagay.
Package na po sila. All in one. Okay.
Picture daw, picture. Picture. Tanya, Tanya. Tingin. Tanya, dito. Tingin kayo, tingin. Pwede yan, Tami.
Ano?
1, 2, 3.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the 8th Bubbly Balloons participant. Please give them a sounding round of applause, please. We have Christoph, John Mark, Gian, Christoph, Alfred, Christine, Sophia, Matthew, Ethan, Francis, Christian, Althea, Ace, Ryan, Cian, Johan, Luis, Jewel, Josie, Monique, Amara, Lorraine, and Kian. Okay, photo opportunity po tayo. Saan yung mga kids?
Wait, may nag-
Sir, photo opportunity tayo. Okay, guys.
Kamalikot!
Okay, wear your best smile as well as your best pose. Okay, guys. Okay. And we are down to another symbol, which is the 18th Blue Bills. Okay, 18th Blue Bills participant or 18th Bills. Ba't pag sinasabi kong Blue Bills na kayo nakangiti? Okay, again, 18th Bills participant, get ready dahil kayo na po ang susunod. And this time po, magkakaroon po tayo ng prosperity dancing. Okay, tinatawagan po natin ang supportive daddy because we will having a prosperity dancing. Okay, saan na po si daddy? Saan po si daddy ni Ninya? Okay, sir? Okay.
Daddy! Oy, buko ka lang dami na ka.
ang ating 18th Bills participant po or 18th Bills ceremony, magkakaroon po tayo ng prosperity dancing which is sasayaw po si Daddy at si Ninya. Then yung po mga participant po ng 18th Bills, ibibigay lang po namin lahat kay Ninya yung inyong bills. Okay? 18th Bills participant start with Arsenio Sabado Jr. or the third.
Baka may makuha siyang cellphone dito. iPhone. iPhone 6 yata.
Geraldo Milio. Again, we have Mr. Geraldo Milio. Also, we have Mr. Jack Kapinpin.
Pangkasal, oy, pangkasal.
Again, we have Mr. Jack Kapinpin.
Follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet.
Next, we have Miss
I never
Bobita Milio.
knew someone waiting for me.
Again, we have Madam Bobita Milio.
In love,
Also, we have Madam Elizabeth Milio Nadal.
this time
Again, we have Miss Elizabeth Milio Nadal.
slow.
Opa! Opa po! Opa! Si nanay, anya din ka. Okay. Thank you po. Thank you po sa inyong time. Okay, pwede na po tayong umupo lahat. And yung ating beautiful celebrant, pwede na siyang umupo.
First of all, happy birthday Ninya. Happy 18th birthday. And yung naisip ko pong i-give sa kanya is sling bag or shoulder bag. Kasi po, nag-iisip po ako ng gift is, ang ano ko po is yung gusto ko po yung magagamit niya po everyday. And yung pangkat ako po ginagamit. Ayan. So, again, happy birthday Ninya.
Kumain na siya.
Oh!